Butte. Bye Toward. Bye Lostriman. Bye Dunedin.
Bye Cruel Clyde.
Bye. Bye Weems Bay. Bye Larks. Hello Open Ocean.
Welcome to our quiet little anchorage in Lamlash on the Isle of Arran. This is what makes me think, what the hell are we doing?
It's like a free facial.
White horses in the anchorage. Perfect. How do you feel about our little time in Arran?
What I don't understand is why do more people not summer in Scotland when you can have these wonderful, refreshing conditions, you know, and heaps of space. I mean, no danger of not getting a mooring buoy.
How did you enjoy the beat to get here?
It was invigorating. Not at all exhausting.
So, after a more than breezy 12 hours of sitting in Lamlash, we're now officially the only boat here, and it's turned into an absolutely glorious morning. So, here we go. Yeah, you wouldn't believe 30 knots was charging through here yesterday. Now we've got blue sky. Now, because of the heavy wind that we had yesterday, we kept 2 lines on our mooring buoy, and then we had to put in this bit of old spare pipe that we've got from when we did the heads, because our lines were chafing on the edge of the anchor. And so we rigged up this bit of pipe just to make sure that we're still going to be here in the morning, and it's worked very well. So we've got double lines on the mooring, which seems a bit overkill right now, but we know that there's more breeze coming a bit later. Beautiful Lamlash in the sunshine. So we've got a few repairs to do from yesterday, and then we should be on our way in a few days. All good, Captain?
All good, darling. Aside from the door that got ripped off in the beat up wind.
What else did we have to do today?
Go to the pub, get the internet, surf some videos. I don't know, there's a list.
There's always a list.
Refer to the list. Hey darling.
Hey! So,
Tell us, why have we got a door on, a cabin door on deck?
well, on our sail over yesterday, we were slamming so hard into the waves that we somehow managed to pull the forward head door off its hinges and snap the hinges. And root of the problem is the fact that when we put the rig in and retensioned it, we lifted the deck and sort of compressed it all, which has lifted sort of the interior side of the boat. And our forward cabin door doesn't fit for some reason anymore. The bottom of the doorway has just become quite compressed and narrow. So we thought it'd be a good moment to take it off, and I've been using some terrible chisels to chisel away to get this all a bit smoother, and now I've just finished sanding it for the hope that for the 5th time today, when I put it back on the hinges, it'll actually close, which would be quite nice, especially when we've got people arriving soon. I don't think they need to hear our snoring. So sooner or later we're going to have a door that closes, which will be quite nice.
Do you think you'll be able to do it before the storm comes in?
It's hard to say. We stayed here for today because we knew there was more weather coming, and here it is. It is arriving in quite an obvious front, and the wind has just suddenly picked up from, I'd say, 5 knots to probably 12, and it's due to get a bit windier as the afternoon goes on. So, sun's still shining.
Goodbye Scotland today.
Goodbye Scotland, hello Ireland. We hope. Terrible night in the anchorage. It was so rolly, so neither of us really slept. So we left at 5 o'clock. So a beautiful sunrise. We decided to beat to Ireland, because that's better than the anchorage we were in.
Fancy turquoise new life jacket.
Isn't it? Talk about encouraging safety.